Hello everyone. Today we will see log scale in Excel. So let's start. This is our dataset where we can see different employees' name with their per day salary. That is the salary they earn every day. Okay, here we can see one person earned 130, 170, 230, 175. Okay, different numbers are there, but one person earns 9,000. This value is there is very huge difference from this value to other values. So this is an outlier. There may be one or few or couple of outliers in a data set. So if there are some outliers in a data set, then what will be the problem if I insert a chart here. Let's insert a bar chart here. You can apply any chart. Click OK. You will see all the numbers are like this, but one number is like this. So if there are, for example, instead of 10 rows, if there are 100 rows, and you find outliers like this two or three times, then the chart will be quite weird to see. So in this case, to make the visualization very easy, what we can do, we can uh, use log scale. We can use logarithm and adjust all the values in a particular way. So how we can do that? After you create this chart, double click on this, then this pop-up will come. From chart options, select horizontal value axis. Because all the values are presented horizontally, you will see horizontal value axis. If all the values are presented like this, that is, if we used column chart, then the value will be here. In that case, you will see a vertical value axis here. But for now, all the values are in horizontal shape, so you will not see any vertical value axis here. You will see horizontal value axis. So now select this, then you will see all these options. You have to select this, that is axis options, then again axis options. Now you can see the value starts from 0, and then 2000, 2000 through 4000, and this continued, and all the values followed this. Now if I enable this logarithmic scale, which is disabled now, if I enable this, then the chart will look like this, having a logarithmic scale that has a base of 10. What is this means? Previously the value start from 0, now the value starts from 1, and every other value, every second value is 10 times than this, because we have selected 10. So the second value will be 10 times that than this. The third value will be 10 times the second value, that is 100. Then 10 times 100 is 1000, 10 times 1000 is 10,000. Okay, if I select 5 and press enter, now the first value is 1, the second value will be, because we have a base of 5 now, 5 times then this, that is 5. The third value will be 5 into 5, 25. Fourth value will be 25 into 5, 125. Fifth value will be 125 is equal to 625. So this is how it will continue. Now if I don't, okay, if I click this, and from here we can use data labels, we can see all the bars have their own values. So all these are properly shown, and this bar, it is showing 9,000. But see, now after applying logarithmic scale, the chart is looking convenient than the previous. Okay, so this is how we can apply logarithmic scale in Excel. Now let's make the base 10 again. Horizontal value axis, axis options, base 10, enter. So 10 looks beautiful. Now I don't need this. Let's from here, let's add axis titles. Here we can include employee name, here salary, per day. So this is how we can modify the chart. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.